Hello everyone. I know it's been a while since I've put up videos of any real sustenance, and it's for good reason. I've kind of been going through a lot in my life, and we've been going through a lot as far as changes of scenery and just kind of getting settled in where we're at now. But back in May, I've been struggling for a long time with my mental health, not really never having a diagnosis or anything, but really struggling with my mental health, and it all came to a head, and I got sent to the mental hospital pretty much willingly. It was a really bad incident that I ended up going nuts, basically. Nobody got hurt or anything. It was just me going nuts. I got hurt by it, but I got hospitalized and diagnosed bipolar, and it explains so much about my life up to that point. Not even knowing really what bipolar was up until I got diagnosed and it got explained to me and started kind of clicking in my head like it's been going on a long time, all this stuff, and it's taken a while to get on the right medicine to get feeling good. And now that I'm feeling good again, I say again, it's been a long time since I could manage my symptoms. I'm feeling better than I have in my entire life because kind of nice and level, if you will, not up or down all the time, because it was getting pretty crazy toward the end there. And I don't know, some of you might have noticed in my service truck build videos, I was very depressed at that time and just kind of pushing through it, fighting to try to do something to do whatever I could do, whatever I could manage to do. But that's enough about me. If anybody wants to learn more about my experiences with bipolar disorder, I'd love to share them, but I don't know that my tractor channel here or whatever we're really focusing on is the appropriate place to do so. So maybe in the future I'll start a little side channel about bipolar and what I've learned and advice I have for others. But let's get back to tractors. How's that sound? I kind of like the sound of that. We got John Deere 5085E that we had. That was our four-wheel drive loader tractor we had for a short while. And we got this baby I'm sitting in right here. This is a John Deere 4050. We've got 7,494.5 hours. And it is a beautiful tractor. Somebody did a cab kit in it, and it's pretty nice. This one's a quad range transmission. It's got heat and air conditioning. Right now the heat's not working. This valve doesn't turn. We're gonna have to fix that. We really want to put a radio in it. I really like having a tractor with a radio. But this has the 359T engine, so it's a 5.9 liter turbocharged engine rather than the naturally aspirated 404, I believe, that they put in there, same as 4020 engine. First thing we did when we got the tractor is put this 265 loader on here. It's a really nice loader. It works pretty good as a loader tractor, and we put 10-ply front tires on it. We widened the tractor out. You can actually kind of see where it used to be here, but it was pretty narrow, probably for planting corn, but we got the tires set out wider than they were. I'd like to have a third function on here, but it doesn't have the valve for the third function. But we got the box and everything along with the loader. Everything mounted up pretty nice. I wish the hose is going back to the supply and return over here, or whatever you want to call it. I wish they were a little tighter. You can see it's getting chewed on right now. I'll have to take care of that, but it was over top of all this stuff. But it's a pretty nice tractor. Need to get a new cap for the remote on that side. The drawbar's got some wear to it, but you can tell for 7,500 hours it's a pretty clean tractor. The loader's rusty, but the tractor's in nice shape. But we gotta do work to this thing, not a whole lot. But the 4020 is gonna get a lot of loving. Just yesterday I was using it and went to shut it off, and the rod pulled out of the throttle. We also have to pull this apart and do thermostats. Well, we did the thermostats, but probably got to do the water manifolds in here. You can see it's been leaking antifreeze, but right there, that water manifold that the thermostat's set into, there's two of them. There's one and one. They're gonna have to be replaced because the threads are stripped out of the one of them. I'd really like to buy a rebuild kit for this seat, because this seat really flops around a lot. We don't use this thing for a whole lot. This is my dad's tractor, but it's still a nice tractor. We got the nice BKT radials on the back of it now. When we get this tore apart, we'll definitely do some more filming, because everybody loves a good 4020, and I'd love to get the emblem back on this side. They look so crappy without the emblem on them. And my brother's got a 7810, which is a nice tractor. I don't know what he has to do to this. Probably not a whole lot. He did a lot of work to it last season. It's in pretty good shape. Been serving us well. I don't know how many hours are on it, but it's a good tractor. But yeah, pretty soon we'll put up a video, start working on some stuff, get back to filming it. But I'm sure somebody will be interested in seeing me rebuild that seat, so I'm going to try to set the camera up so that it'll actually show me working on it and not just talking about it. But I suppose that's it for now. Hope everybody's having a nice day. I'll catch you on the next one.